against the world. I never trade you for anybody else, a brown skin girl. That's
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Blessing, and you are welcome. To my old subscribers, I want to say thank you. If you are new, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, like my videos and share. So in this video is a very quick one. Okay, so I have 3 eggs in here, so I put my salt inside the egg. So I'm just gonna mix the egg together, so you just have to continue mixing. So I'm done mixing it. Then I have my olive oil already in the pan, so I'll be using olive oil. Okay, so I just turn my egg inside the pan, then I'll put my bread. So I will leave this process for about 2 minutes before I will turn it. So I will turn my egg down. So in here I will be adding my cheese. I think in French it's called the cheddar, the one they put in burgers. So that is what I'll be doing. Then I will add my sauce. The sauce is called samora, so I'll be adding it too. So it's very spicy, this sauce, and it tastes well. So guys, we are done with our breakfast. So you see, it's very easy and very quick. So you are welcome to my channel if you are new, and to my old subscribers, I want to say thank you guys. So if you are new, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Wow, look at how this is looking. So guys, what do you think about it? It looks so yummy. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye, love you.